So I'm going to go over this bike bag and back brake light that I got right here. Now this is the Machwell Obsidian e-bike, and what I did, I just recently picked up the back rack for this thing. Now it's an unusual rack because it doesn't have a lot of open bars on it, so I had to get either their bag that they had, which was very expensive, and what I did, I actually found a super affordable like back little tank bag. I guess some people call it a Pannier. And then there was another thing that it had. It needed a tail light. Now, I didn't have any way of what it does. It has this little mounting bracket that's pretty much like, say, a license plate holder. And this little light worked out perfect. If you've got a back area where it's like a license plate holder on your e-bike, I recommend this light right here, because here's where my brake light was. It's right here. And now look, you can't even see the light. So what this is, it came in this little package right here, and here's all the stuff with it. It's got a kind of like a little holder right there, a USB-C, and some zip ties. That's everything that came with it. And then it has a bracket, but check this out. You want to take this off and charge it? Look at that. That is neat. It's got a like a turn that goes down in there. Right under here is where the USB-C cable will go. And then right here is the on and off. Now what you'll do, you'll just screw this little bracket on right here. It worked out perfect. It came with these screws, so it had all the hardware. Now when I want to put it back on there, by the way, this is waterproof. It's pretty much, and it's got a long distance. When you put on it, let's turn it on, hold it down for a few seconds, bam, just like that. That's my favorite of this thing. So when you get back, it's wider than any brake light that I've seen on a standard e-bike, and that's what I like about it. It gives the orange kind of caution flashing lights, and then the red light in the middle. Then hit it right here again. Now it turns the red light out in the middle. Hit it again. Now it's just the two red on the outside. Hit it again. The flashing red, that's very visible. A lot of times I'll use that in the day. Hit it again. Now it's all red. And then let me get back and show you how nice that looks. That looks awesome, doesn't it? It has, and you can see it really bright at night, and then hold it and it has that breathe pattern, and then I think it just starts back over again. Very nice, and it'll last hours and hours on that, on one charge. It's fully charged right now. Now the bag has a storage on top right here. It's got a little bit of waterproofing properties as it is. It's got a bag up here, and then to open it, it's more like a square bag. This is the 10 liter, but I think it comes in like a 9 and a 12. Look how, this is what I got. Oh, there's the bag it came in. So that's the bag it came in. I get my sunglasses in here. There is a cover with this thing. So there's the rain cover. You'll cover it up if it starts raining. I got my phone holder. I've got this little O'Geary pump. If you're looking for a good pump, I recommend this little O'Geary mini pump. This thing is so tiny, fits down here perfect. Oh, and the lock. And that's pretty much everything I carry. And then I'll put like my wallet and some other random stuff. So I got a first aid kit that I run in here. It's got reflection right here on the side, reflection on that side, and a little bit of reflection here. It does come off and you can carry it around. All you do is run the Velcro straps under here, and then a Velcro strap goes underneath. Now I did trim mine slightly, and then you see how nice and neat those are, and to take them off, it just goes around like that. Highly recommend this bag for anyone that's just looking for a great kind of back bag for an e-bike or just any random bike in general. And it comes in different sizes, but this 10 liter is good enough for me. These zippers seem to work perfect, and it's been a great bag. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the, back brake light and bag combo. See y'all in the next video.